this is Kerala's High Court, which has in fact gone ahead and dismissed the anticipatory bail application filed by actor Siddique, booked for rape following the release of the Hema Committee report. The complainant has claimed that the actor called her to a hotel with the pretext of discussing a film, and eventually what she has alleged is that he raped and assaulted her there. The complainant this is a complaint that was made to the Special Investigation Team constituted to investigate the incidents of sexual harassment in the Malayalam film industry, and its actor Siddique, in his petition, said that the complainant, who is an ardent supporter and member of the Women's Cinema Collective, is making these allegations because he conducted the press meet along with other office bearers of the Association of the Malayalam Movie Actors after the release of the Hema Committee report. He's also pointed out that the same complainant had raised some allegations against him in 2019, but she went ahead and changed those details with the intention of getting him booked under non-bailable offences. And we have Ishika joining us. Ishika, take us through, the court there dismissing that bail of the actor.
Well, yes, Divya, it is certainly a setback for actor Siddique. Remember that he had approached the Kerala High Court, seeking anticipatory bail plea in the rape case that was filed against him. And today, the Kerala High Court, in fact, has dismissed his anticipatory bail plea. Remember that, very grave allegations of rape were filed against him. The complainant in this case, in fact, had alleged that he had raped her in a hotel in Trivandrum, while promising her a film role, while Siddique in his plea, in fact, had said that these allegations, some of these allegations were made by the complainant, even in 2019, and now she has changed the details only to get him booked. So this is only a part of the conspiracy, but certainly a big setback. Remember that the police, the SIT team that has been formed by the state government there is already investigating this particular case. A different SIT in Trivandrum was also formed just to investigate this entire matter. So the police is also going to go forward with the case, and after the High Court dismissing his anticipatory bail plea, it is also now expected that the police, the SIT, would also be calling Siddique, summoning him for interrogation in the investigation of this particular case.